Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have a very, very, very special person with me, like probably the most special person of my life, and that is my mom. You have never. Hi, bolo, hi, bolo.
Hi.
She did not even know. You did not know the cue, na? कि कभी hi बोलने का है? By the way, she is very, very nervous for this video. Okay, so do not. Uh, don't judge that or don't like think यार ये इतनी चुप क्यों है or anything. She's just very nervous. She doesn't know what to say. But yeah, like I was saying, let's just start. Let me not make it very long.
Yes.
Okay, so like you can tell from the title, we're going to be doing the mother tag or the mom tag or the whatever. I just typed the mom tag on YouTube and I came up with like there were like 15, 16 questions. There is one question जो मैंने आपको दिखाया नहीं है. That is like surprise. वो मैं last में पूछूंगी.
Okay.
I didn't. So she wanted to see all the questions because she was like, I want to prepare my answers. so last question तो मैं surprise रखूंगी. उसके अलावा you know the questions, so I'll ask you one by one, and
Yeah.
then she will answer them for you.
Yes.
So the first question is, what was I like a child? What was I as a like? What was I like as a child? Yeah.
You mean to say?
मतलब मस्तीखोर थी हमेशा. लाइक डिड आई ऑलवेज. अरे कुछ कुछ बच्चे होते हैं ना जो दे ऑलवेज इन ट्रबल, जिनको हमेशा टीचर बुलाती है.
You were very obedient, you can say. As a child, you were very obedient.
As a child, I was obedient. Okay, you guys. Let's emphasize on the fact that I was only obedient as a child, not anymore.
Yeah.
Okay. तो टीचर कितनी बार कंप्लेंट करती थी मेरी?
The teachers, very few used to complain, but otherwise, the teachers, whatever the teachers used to say to tell you to do any work, and you used to do it immediately. Like you used to run errands for them, like that.
I was a good child. I was a good child in school. Okay, so what do you think of me making YouTube videos?
It was your passion, so I want you. Means like I'm happy with it. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like this is a question a lot of YouTubers get. I never got a question, but like I'm still telling you that at times people like don't want their children to do that, or like parents will oppose and stuff like that. I never got any opposition from my mom or my dad. So my parents were like, do whatever you want to do. We don't have any problems. So yeah, that was great. What's something funny that I did when I was younger?
Funny, like when you were small, I used to teach you ABCD. So like so C for crow, you couldn't say C for crow. So seeing the picture, you used to say in our mother tongue, they say for crow, they say kaka.
Yeah,
So you used to say C for kaka.
Yeah, so we're Tamil, my mom and my dad both, and I used to speak very fluently in Tamil before I like started going to school and nursery and everything. So Kaka is basically crow in Tamil. So I, instead of saying C for crow, I used to say C for Kaka. Yeah, I have funny memories of me talking in Tamil. Super funny. Have you learned anything about makeup or skincare from me?
Yes, a lot. I never used to do any much of makeup. From her, I learned how to take means anti-aging also.
Yeah, I got her into retinol. Yeah, I mean she's 52 now.
Yes.
Yeah, and she's never used retinol in her life. This year I got her to use the Dot and Key retinol. That's the first one that I got. The pink serum and also one of the masks. So yeah, that's what I got her. I know it's not the most like the best product when it comes to retinol, but personally, like even some of you asked me that do you have retinol recommendations or suggestions. That is the only active I have not branched out into, so I'm doing research mainly for her, and then I would love to also share her experience with you guys in my videos. But yeah, I feel like typically बहुत बच्चे अपने मम्मी से स्किन केयर और मेकअप सीखते हैं, and इधर उल्टा है. Yeah, so that is that. What is one weird habit of mine?
Like you have the habit of biting your lips
Ha.
and then putting your hair on your mouth.
Yeah, so I forgot. This is what I wanted to actually mention in the intro, जो फिर भूल गई. So this is the first video that you're actually going to be seeing in a whole series. So every Sunday in Vlogmas, that is in the month of December, I will be posting one video with either like this is with my mom, and then there's a video which is coming up with one of my best friends, and then another one of my friend, and then I will be doing a lot of like personal videos every Sunday in December, and then there'll be like one or two videos that might go up throughout the week also. So in my best friend video, which I actually filmed already, we already discussed this particular thing. So yeah, that is probably my only weird habit. Now, uske alawa I don't have weird habits. Okay. If you had to rename me, what would you name me? By the way, my mom gave me my name.
Yes.
She's the one who named me. But अगर ये नाम नहीं देना होता कुछ और देना होता.
No, I can't think of any other name. I'm happy with this name.
Because you only gave it. Obviously, you're
Yes.
happy. Okay. When we go out to eat, what do we order?
Pizza.
Yes.
Pizza or any cheesy.
Anything with cheese. I love my
Lasagna.
cheese. Yes.
Yes.
I love my cheese. What is one thing that you wish I would do? मेरे मन में है, आपके मन में नहीं है. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है?
Yes, what?
अरे घर पसारा रहता है पूरा. I never clean anything.
Yeah. Yes, that is it. The question, I didn't get the question actually.
अरे what is one thing that you wish I would do that I don't do?
Yeah, the cleaning the house, you create all the mess and you don't want to clear it.
That is probably the only thing. What is one thing that really annoys you about me? Yay, na? Same.
Yes.
Same. Rose time.
Every day the house will be like a mess and you'll keep your things all scattered, and then when you want it, you'll keep searching for it. And it will be right under your nose, you won't be able to see.
What is one thing that I obsess over?
Makeup.
It's skincare also, yaar. More than makeup, it is skincare. Yeah. Where would you like to see me in the next 10 years? You can say it. I know what's coming. So I'm 21. So if I'm at the age of 31, what would you want my life to look like?
10 years, you should be settled in life at some great position, then married with one or two kids.
She's rich kids also. Married का तो मेरे को पता था, but kids also. Okay.
And somewhere at a very high position or something of your own, you should start something of your own.
You want me to be an entrepreneur? ये मेरे को नहीं पता था. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Moving on next. When were you the most proud of me?
As a kid, when I used to leave you, we both you were left alone at home, and you used to stay alone at home, and you used to say to lock you in the house, So that was the first thing, first time, I felt very proud. Of course, many times you made us proud.
Aww. So basically, I live in a double income household. My mom and my dad both are working, and they've been working pretty much almost all my life. Like, you started working when I was 5, right? You
Yes.
restarted working when I was 5, and then my grandmom passed away when I was 6. So and then Kuri auntie ka bhi pehle hi shaadi ho gaya tha. So it was just me, my mom, and my dad since I was 6. So since I think then, or maybe Yeah.
Yes.
So around that time, we don't remember the exact age
No.
that I was at, but I've been like on my own. So I used to come back from school, and then I used to be alone till like 5:30.
6:30.
Yeah. So like 3 or 4 hours the afternoon time was when I used to be alone at home. So my neighbor had like a pair of keys that so when I would come home, I would go to her house, get keys, open the door, and then she would lock me back up again. And then I used to be alone at home for 4 hours.
Yes.
That continued till like what 13, na?
Yeah.
12 or 13.
Hmm.
Yeah. Then what is the worst thing that I've ever done?
You haven't done anything worse.
I would not say the same for myself. Okay. Okay. What is your favorite moment of us together?
During birthdays, we spend time together. For whether it's your birthday or my birthday, and I take leave and we stay at home or we go out together. Yeah.
Yeah, I've spent more birthdays with my mom than with ever friends or anything. Like friends, yeah, for the past few years, my friends come over for birthdays, or I also go out with my friends on birthdays. But otherwise, uh, it's always like us together on birthdays. Either it's her birthday or it's my birthday. Yeah. What would you change about me if you would have to raise me again? Like if you could do it all over, what is the one thing that you would change?
Like say cleaning the house. I mean keeping your things organized.
So you would teach me like बचपन से एक ही
Yes.
सब organized रखने का and everything.
Yes.
Fair enough. Okay, now the last one, which is a surprise question that I did not show you पहले से ही, was what would you like? What qualities do you think my future partner should have, or what kind of a son-in-law would you want to have?
The person should be, I mean, he should, first of all, he should take care of you. I mean, take care of you means like, he should understand you. That's it, like, and other things, he should be independent, all those things. Yeah.
No demands, no
No
list, no
demands,
nothing.
no demands, nothing.
Okay.
As long as he keeps you happy.
So my list is
Yes.
longer than yours. Good. That's nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was it for the video. Those were all the questions. I really hope that you guys got to know me a little bit better, and yeah, got to know a little bit better about my bond with my parents, specifically my mom, obviously. And yeah, that was it. That was it for the video. Also, I feel like I mention this in my videos a lot, but a lot of times my skincare, like of course, this is a makeup and beauty related channel, and I always talk about how if a skincare product doesn't work for me, I give it to my mom because I have more normal to oily skin and she has more dry, mature skin. So typically, things that don't work for me work for her. It's never happened that a product has never worked for me or has not worked for her. So let me know if you would want me to do a video where I talk about products that I've decluttered and I've given it to her, and then she can share with you her experience on those skincare products. Of course, not very technical, but like of course I will be there to assist
Yes.
her and you guys through the process. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below if you would like to like us to do a video like that in the future. And yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the bell to get to know every single time I post a new video. In the month of December, you will be seeing a video every single day, so definitely make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of those uploads. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.